Today we're checking out the Evotech Performance Radiator Guard that's designed specifically for the Kawasaki Z900 and Z900 SE models from 2025 and up. Now if you're ever worried about road debris messing with your radiator, this could save you a big headache in the future. Now first off, the build on this is solid. This is CNC machined from a lightweight aluminum, so you're getting strength without adding unnecessary weight to your bike. Plus the black powder coated finish on here isn't just for looks either. This is actually resistant to corrosion, which is huge if you're riding in the rain or near salt as well. Now the design is precision fit for the Z900, which means there's no guessing, there's no cutting, there's no drilling. Everything is going to line up perfectly. Now taking a look at the hexagonal matrix pattern that we have here, this isn't just for style, this is actually engineered to allow maximum airflow through your engine so that it stays cool while keeping rocks, bugs, and other debris off of your radiator as well. Now the installation is going to be super straightforward. It's basically bolt-on ready so that you can have it on your bike within minutes without any modifications, and really overall the Guard isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's actually protection that you can rely on while keeping your Z900 safe from potential radiator damage and avoiding costly repairs down the road. If you're serious about protecting your bike while keeping it looking sharp, the Evotech Radiator Guard for the Z900 is definitely worth checking out. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us, call us 786-242-5400. And if you found any value out of this video, give us a like and subscribe. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.